Right guys, well welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it on this doomy, gloomy Sunday. So car updates, cars coming. We've obviously got the 330d e46 here, which is on 250 plus thousand. We still suspect it's on original chains. This is Tom's, it's his daily work runner, bit mucky, needs a wash. As we saw yesterday, we've got Tom's f31. That's going to have a review on it probably by next weekend. We're not too sure what's going to be happening with this yet. We don't know if the engine out of this is going to be going into Tom's e30, which I'll show you in a sec. But we're gonna do a review on this car and take it out for a drive and see how it fares up against its modern versions, so stay tuned for that. So obviously we've got the f31. We're going to be doing a review on that and comparison between my f30 and obviously Tom's 31 here. This is a better spec car than mine, 30 diesel standard, it's not matte. So we're going to be doing a little review drive and hopefully a bit of a side-by-side performance comparison, but we'll get a review on this within the next week, probably next weekend. As we can see inside, Tom's is a lovely spec. It's got all the Harman Kardon, love it. Sounds a lot better than mine. Whee! He's got the better screen, he's got the head-up display, brushed aluminium, piano black trim. Really nice car this. He's got a few subtle mods coming for this soon, so stay tuned for that. So keep your eye out for a review on the f31, probably Saturday, Sunday, so keep tuned for that. So we've also got the 92 330d. This is stage 1 matte, EGR delete and DPF deleted. It's also on about 150,000 miles, so we'll be doing a nice drive and review and comparison between the others. This one's got a nice fruity red interior, so we'll be getting out in this, guys, and having a blip around and seeing how it fares up to the others. So again, stay tuned for this one. Right, so this is Tom's E30. He's had this for probably about 20 odd years. When we were in our early 20s, I had a 36 compact 318 Ti, and he had this. It did have a wide body on it, but with age, he's wanted to put it back to standard. Looks better in all honesty. He has got the original M20 engine, which he has rebuilt, and he's got an M52 24 valve, so it's just deciding which he's going to put in. I'm personally trying to blag him into putting a 4.4 out of an X5 or an E38 7 series, but we'll see where it ends up. I think the main goal at the minute is just to get all the panels back on, get it painted, get it rust free, and get it back to its former glory. So in all honesty, the M20, because it's built and ready to go, will probably go back in, and plus we sound like a Spitfire with an exhaust on, so I'll be happy to see that back in. But this is a long-termer. We will keep it updated as it goes, so with, you know, panels going back on, we will do updates and show the progress in motion. So stay tuned for the resurrection of the E30, because there's not many left now, so stay tuned for that. And obviously, guys, please like and subscribe and follow our journey. Thanks for listening.